you hate digging through the bottom of your deep freeze to find just the right food that you're looking for? I hate that too. And what ends up happening a lot of time is you have food down at the bottom that you forget about simply because it's hard to get to, and then it's freezer burned and a loss. And so that's why I am so glad that Sunny sent me this 4-pack set of deep freeze storage kit baskets. Each basket has handles on it, as you can see, and you simply fold the handles in and then place them one on top of the other like so. When you're ready to get your food and remove each basket, just use those same handy handles and pull it right out. Now the basket is at the top, it's 14.2 inches long and then 12.6 inches long at the bottom. And then width-wise, you have 7.1 inches and height you have 4.3 inches. I love that they're see-through. Okay, let's go fill it with food and see how well it works. Here is my freezer before. As you can see, the different types of meat are just in sacks and laying in there. So we're gonna organize this. And now we are much more organized. We have all 4 containers in there. It's easier to see what is there, easier to pick them out and remove them. And hopefully we'll cut down on any food waste from not knowing what's down in the bottom of the freezer. Very happy with these products, and I think I'll get maybe 4 more of them.